Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. This Chicken Tikka Masala Pizza with the perfect blend of Indian flavors and the Italian style. This dish will please everyone.
Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Tonight we are making Chicken Tikka Masala Pizza. Yes, Chicken Tikka Masala Pizza. Have you heard about it or have you had it before? By the way, Chicken Tikka Masala is on the menu of almost every Indian restaurant, right? It's a creamy, delicious tomato-based curry, and the spice level often varies greatly. But Chicken Tikka Masala pizzas? Obviously not your regular pizza. Yet, if you try it and you stick with me, you will find out how good it is. So, what are we waiting for? Let's do it!
Let's start with making the dough. I thought it would just be a pizza night, but it turns out to a pizza week. As I just finished my whole pumpkin pizza, and now I'm trying to make some Chicken Tikka Masala Pizza. What a pizza week! I love it. Want to hear a joke about pizza? Never mind, it's too cheesy. Okay, let's do it. What type of person doesn't love pizza? A weirdo. What is a pizza maker's favorite song? Slice, slice, baby. Sorry to sound cheesy, but I crust say you have melted my heart. Let's rest the pizza dough for an hour or two. Moving on, let's make the tomato paste. Next, let's prepare 1 pound of chicken thigh. I just love using chicken thigh. Mincing the chicken is the best texture when it comes to pizza. Let's keep going and make the chicken tikka masala. In a medium-high heat temperature, let's add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, followed by 1/2 cup of diced onion.
Then let's add the tomato sauce we made. I can smell the aromatic flavor. Then we can add these amazing spices. This is 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and then this is the 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and then 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and lastly 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Did I say it correctly? Garam masala powder. Alright, let's add it. Let's mix well. Next, let's add the chicken. So I marinated this chicken with plain Greek yogurt. Make sure it's plain, not a blueberries yogurt, not a strawberry yogurt, but plain yogurt. And then I added some lemon juice and turmeric and also a garam powder masala. Then salt and pepper. Smells so good. Okay, let's also add 1/2 cup of water. And let it simmer. By the way, if you are interested with authentic homemade Indian dishes, you can check Chef Paps. Have you heard about him? He's an amazing chef. He does a lot of delicious homemade dishes. And one of my favorite was the shrimp masala. You can check on top here if you want to visit that. It's so good, amazing. The question is, how can you find Chef Paps? Well, if you are familiar with "What's up everybody, this is KG. What's up everybody, this is KG. What's up everybody, this is KG." I'm sorry, I'm picking on you.
After 2 hours of resting the dough, let's keep going and build the Chicken Tikka Masala Pizza. Speaking of Indian cuisine, there are many types of cuisines in this world which are worthy of your attention and time, and obviously, Indian cuisine is one of them. It attracts to India many tourists from all around the world. Look, I didn't forget the parchment paper, as I've learned from the experience. Going back to Indian cooking. Spices are the foundation for Indian cooking. They can transform any dish into a tasty meal and give life to even the simplest ingredients. Alright, going back to our pizza, I added olive oil around the dough. Then let's add the chicken tikka masala, followed by fresh mozzarella cheese. Then let's add thinly sliced onion, followed by fresh cilantro. It's about time! It's baking time! I preheated the oven in a temperature of 500 degrees as I am using a stone pizza. Chicken tikka masala is a delicious Indian recipe that makes a killer topping for a pizza. The exotic tastes of the spices and the chicken pairs beautifully with the cheesy pizza. It is scrumptious, easy enough to put together and make for a healthy meal. Get in my belly!
So good.
That is Cooking Simply Delicious. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.